SPICEJET Seaplane service to be launched in India on October 31st, 2020. Fare starting at just Rs 1500. Domestic carrier SPICEJET has announced its foray into the seaplane services in India. The launch of the seaplane service falls on the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The company is all set to launch its seaplane service on Ahmedabad-Kewadia route on October 31st with fares starting at just Rs 1500. SPICEJET will operate 2 daily flights on the said route. The all-inclusive one-way fares will begin at Rs 1500 under the Udan scheme, and the tickets will be available on www.spiceshuttle.com from October 30th. SPICEJET will be using a 1500 Twin Otter 300 aircraft. For these flights, Twin Otter 300 is fitted with an efficient twin turboprop Pratt & Whitney engines. SPICEJET has secured 18 seaplane routes under the Udan scheme, which includes Ahmedabad-Kewadia, Agatti-Meenakoi, Agatti-Kavarati, among others. The new launch marks yet another successful beginning of the last mile connectivity by SPICEJET through seaplane under the service or Udan scheme. The regions in the northeast, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Andaman, Lakshadweep and other coastal areas are a few destinations that are being evaluated for amphibious plane operations. Well, that's pretty much about it for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. And tab tak ke liye do leave in the comment section how you felt watching this video and what about your thoughts about the SPICEJET seaplane services. Do leave in the comment section and I'll see you guys pretty soon.